Today, the whole world is facing a new challenge and it's creating a new way of doing things, and many lost their jobs and businesses are crashing down left and right, but we still have great news for you. Millions of people are now looking for alternative ways to their dreams, and that's where we will come in. Yes, my friend, we scam-proof opportunity that we'd like to share with you. This is not your ordinary traditional centralized opportunity that has so many failing points. This is a technology-based program, a fail-proof system that no one can manipulate, and it has no human intervention. Introducing ETH plus X3, a new decentralized smart contract crowdfunding program where you can generate unlimited Ether until eternity and can help you survive and achieve your dreams during this global crisis. Coded and deployed on Ether and blockchain, a smart contract by Mr. Fernando Urdaneta, a blockchain and smart contracts expert, systems engineer and graphic designer of customer experience interfaces, both mobile and web. A community manager and integrator of technological solutions based on standard and agile methodologies. With these credentials, we are sure that the smart contract deployed in Ether and blockchain will perform and execute automatically according to its rules coded on the smart contract. Let me first explain what a smart contract and why it's fail-proof and scam-proof system that we can trust that will do its functions until eternity. A smart contract is a computer code or program code deployed or published on Ether and blockchain which facilitates, secures, enforces, and executes the registered or coded agreement in the contract between two or more parties. Now, because of inherited features of the smart contract from Ether and blockchain, it has the following features. All information and transactions are stored in the blockchain, which means it's transparent and nobody can hack or change the data on it. It's also an open source, which means anybody can audit or check codes of the smart contract. It also works automatically without human intervention, and it meets its objectives channeling finances between nodes, which means nobody can have access to our cryptocurrency. All payments are sent directly to our personal Ether wallet. It's a peer-to-peer transaction, no third party involved in the transactions. That's the powerful features of ETH plus X3, the decentralized crowdfunding platform, and all you need to participate is to have an Ether wallet with the app browser on your phone, like Trust, Engine Wallet app, or any Ether wallet app with the app browser, and if you are working on computer, you need to install MetaMask wallet on your browser. This is a must requirement to activate your wallet address on one of our nodes in the smart contract. Once activated, nobody can block or stop you from receiving payment directly to your Ether wallet from ETH plus X3 crowdfunding platform. To get started, you only need at least 0.05 Ether plus gas on your Ether wallet, and use the referral link of the person that shared this video to you to activate your Ether wallet on the smart contract. Once activated, you will be positioned under your sponsor 2x3 matrix on the next vacant position within his 2x3 matrix, or if your sponsor has already completed the 14 slots on his 2x3 matrix, then you will be positioned or spill over under his matrix to help other team members earn. Then make sure to share this video to as many people as you can, and let me explain for you what is ETH plus X3 and how it works to be able to complete your 2x3 matrix with only 14 people on it. Everybody starts at matrix 1 and the matrix fills starting from sponsor slot top to bottom and left to right. So make sure they activate as soon as possible to lock your position on the highest available slot on your sponsor matrix for possible spillover. But you must understand spillover is not guaranteed and no time frame. A 2x3 matrix is only 14 positions or people on it, and matrix 1 structure is duplicated on all your 9 matrix. Just make sure to activate the higher matrix ahead of the people within your 2x3 matrix to not miss any income from their activation payment on that higher matrix. If someone in your 2x3 matrix activate higher matrix before you did the income, will be passed on the next upline who is activated on that matrix. So make sure to activate higher matrix as soon as possible. This is the income table of how much the cost of activation for each matrix and its income distribution or the potential income on all matrix. We start at matrix 1 for only 0.05 Ether and will earn 0.013 on 14 nodes or team members in our 2x3 matrix plus. We earn 0.006 Ether each on the 2 nodes in our first level. Activate higher level as soon as possible until we reach matrix 9, where we can earn as much as 4.8 Ether for each per node or team member within our 2x3 matrix plus 2.4 Ether each from the 2 nodes on our first level. All income are paid directly to your Ether wallet. Nobody touches or manages our Ether. All transactions and executions are done by the smart contract automatically without human intervention. To generate and accumulate Ether faster, we recommend that you start with 2 or 3 active matrix and help your referrals do the same. Make sure to ask for the copy of this table from your sponsor for your reference. You can earn as much as 140 plus Ether again and again from all 9 matrix every time the people within your 2x3 reactivate or renew their slots on each 9 matrix. Matrix 1 to Matrix 4 have 90 days expiration period, while Matrix 5 to Matrix 9 have 180 days expiration. So make sure to extend expiration before the date of your expiration, and same with your team, in which you will earn again and again from the renewal or reactivation of slots. This is how simple it works, but with the matrix algorithm coded in the smart contract, it's a powerful leveraging tool that we can use to accumulate unlimited Ether from the comfort of your homes, and I am at your service to help you explain how this works to your prospects through this video. Thanks for watching, and now it's time to take action. Contact the person that shared this video to you to help you get started. Goodbye and have a nice day.